Host your own First Tech Challenge Camp, presented at First Championship World Competition in Detroit, Michigan, 2018.
Let's change the world. This presentation will focus on the story of how the FTC team 7043 Golden Gears have hosted a wildly successful week-long, full-day first FTC camp geared at rookie team members in the summers of 2016 and 2017. They have shared all their resources so other teams can also host camps and workshops. The Golden Gears want your team to host summer camps and workshops just like this to promote STEM first values and keep teams sustainable.
At our camp, our campers built, modified, and programmed a standard FTC pushbot, competed in a small-scale robot game for a sizable audience, produced an engineering notebook, gave presentations to judges, and learned about all the soft skills needed to be a successful team, all in 5 days. This presentation will focus on how to structure and organize a camp, how to adapt this content for other formats such as weekend workshops and smaller events, how to use all the planning documents, presentations, and resources available, and tips and suggestions on how to implement these effectively, so you don't need to take notes today. Please note, the format of this camp is adaptable and scalable. You can adapt this content to put on shorter workshops focused on specific subjects, such as build, programming, engineering notebook, and so forth. It can be scaled up or down depending on the experience level of your participants. You can also adapt this content to spread out over all your practices you have during the season. This is what we have available for you online: a copy of this presentation, a comprehensive guide to how we ran our camp, examples of our camp schedule formats, our camp presentation files, which include 15-minute beginner presentations, expanded, more in-depth presentations from our district's 2017 FTC kickoff hosted by our high school team, the FRC 2834 Bionic Blackhawks. We have instruction manuals for building K9 and full-scale pushbot robots, links to programming and resources and code, the materials to run your choice of 2 different FTC-style robot games that are scaled for a week-long summer camp, ready-to-use forms for kids to fill out for their camp engineering notebook, team-building activities adapted for all kinds of situations, presentation materials to use to solicit sponsorship and grants for parts and tools you'll need for your camp. The possibilities are endless. It's not just for summer camp. You could easily take the resources we provide you and break it into chunks and host it many different ways. You could break it down to a 3-hour workshop. You host your own season kickoff with many events, or host a free clinic in your area. You can really do almost anything you want with this program.